everyone, welcome back to another unboxing with Danny and Jazz.
Hey!
And today we're going to be unboxing another one by Poppin' Candy. This is it. And if you haven't seen our other Poppin' Candies, I'll link them all below. What it is, you basically buy a pop and a selection of candy from, say, America and around the world, basically. You can buy one pop, you can buy two pops, or you can buy three pops. They've also started doing instant shipping. They do grill boxes, and you can pre-order pops, like the sets, from their website as well. This box, I think, was £25.99, and this was 2 pops with candy. But I used a special code, which got your free mystery pop. The 2 pops in here should be horror, or related to horror, and then there should be one that's mystery. Like I said, £25.99 it was. Basically horror, so it's only one thing left to do, Jazz.
It's massive!
It is, and it's quite heavy as well, isn't it?
Yeah. Open the box.
One thing I do say about this company, they do pack it well, don't they? The
Yeah.
pops are packed individually, and so it's ideal for like inbox collectors and stuff. Oh, they also do, they also do damaged pops every now and again and stuff. Hey, so I'll leave all the links in the description below for you. Hey, sorry, Jazz, did I nearly cut that there?
You
But
did?
I did a little bit.
You did? You got one side?
Right,
Shocking.
sorry, I apologise. I'm just excited to get into it. It's got candy in here. Open it!
Open it!
Right, you ready?
Open the box! Open the box! Open the box! Open the box! Open the box!
The box!
It's now open!
The box is now
It is now open! The box is now open!
ready. Let's have a look.
No, peeking.
Can't see anyway because they're all in separate
These are new.
packing peanuts. They use the, I think they're the biodegradable ones, which is quite good.
What is... Okay.
I think if you know, if water touches them, they dissolve, like that type of thing.
We should do an experiment.
Nice.
Right. Come here.
Oh, pop and candy poster. Yeah, you always get a free pop and candy poster in your box, and you always see if you could collect them all. Basically, we've got quite a few now, haven't we? Have we got this one?
No, it's
We haven't.
a new one.
Ah, cool.
We have a creeper. The girl from, was it Tomb Raider?
Yeah, Tomb Raider,
Tomb
Lara
Raider.
Croft, and
And
I think he's God of War and
yeah.
something like that.
Oh, okay.
So yep, there's your pop and candy poster. And we are actually trying to collect all these. I think we've got the digit your elbow then. Funny, not funny. Funny bone. But which ones have we got? There's Freddy, we got the Disney one, and we've had the It one, haven't we?
Yeah.
Somewhere. Yeah, I don't know where they are.
Right.
So yeah, let's see what we've got. So how many boxes we have. Oh, there's a big box there. Big box. I hope this is a candy. Oh, actually, it feels like pops. Doesn't feel like a candy.
Oh my gosh, we'll have to do this one first.
Bye. Oh! She loves this stuff. It's just full of sugar, isn't it?
Yes, basically.
As you can see,
It is.
Jasmine likes a
Full of
bit of sugar.
marshmallow.
Is it what flavour? Is it the strawberry one?
Marshmallow. Caramel flavour
Oh,
marshmallow,
what?
gluten free. Gluten free. A
What?
delicious American marshmallow spread. I'm just gonna eat out of the tub.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. 2 spoons, we'll go and hide upstairs. We won't tell Mum and Jess. So yeah, go. I've never seen the caramel flavour, I've always seen the normal one and strawberry, I think it is. Is that candy? Oh, actually. Where's my knife? Still got more?
Nope. I
No.
was just checking to see if there was anything else.
Right.
And there is nothing.
Right, let's open this one.
You know.
Packing peanuts. So So I'll open this one, right, Jazz? Yeah?
Open the box. Open the box. Open the box.
I hope it's not the box.
Oh, I feel pops.
Do you feel pops?
Yeah. But I also feel other stuff in there as
Well,
well.
let's do it.
So let's get this.
Let's just do that box first.
Jolt Cola, all the sugar and twice the caffeine.
I don't think you should have that.
Yes.
No, I think
Oh,
you're
gosh.
hypo enough. I think
A
that
heavy can of cola.
I might
Sugar and caffeine, basically.
put a little bit of vodka with this one night.
No.
Treat myself.
No, yeah, it's not allowed. I get most of it.
So it's basically an energy drink, isn't it? A cola energy drink called Jolt. Yeah, it's a nice one. Like an energy drink. Tomorrow. Nice! Nice!
We have the Grady Twins 2-pack.
Quality. I haven't got this either. I've got Jack, the Chase Jack. I've got Danny, and I've got normal Jack.
All we need is Wendy.
Just need Wendy now. Oh, I've got the Chase. Not the Chase, the 2-pack of the Grady Twins. There is a Chase. That's what was going through my head. I think the Chase is where they're like a little bit more faded, like they're dead type of thing.
Yeah.
So I think that was the Chase. But oh my god, that's brilliant. I think these go for about £20, I think, £25 that I've seen them for.
Yay!
But yeah, that is nice, that. Like you say, there's the others on the back.
Come play with us.
Oh no, don't. I'll have nightmares. But yeah, that is brilliant. Do you know what? If I didn't get anything else in the box now, I wouldn't be bothered, because that is brilliant. So Pop and Candy, if you're watching, you've excelled this month. Well done.
September, yeah.
And I haven't even opened the rest yet.
I think this is the only candy.
Brilliant. There must be 2 pops in here.
There's more candy in that other
Oh,
box
there's
as
more
well.
candy in here. Oh, it's brilliant.
And
Anyway,
we got Baby Woo.
I like a baby roof. Yeah, baby roof bar. I'll put that there. A little open the box, Jazz.
Open the box, open the box, open the box, open the box, box it now.
There you go.
Sweet little
So I
Ryan.
think there might be. They might class this as 2 pops, which I wouldn't blame them if they did. Is there 1 or 2 in there?
2.
Oh, cool. I'm shocked again.
Got their little business card.
Yep, like you say, Pop and Candy. I will also link their Facebook page. They do a group where they put the deals on the group first. Like the free pop code. They put them on the group first. It basically gives the group people chance, like half an hour first before they put them on the normal webpage. But yeah, we got our free pop code from there, so I'll put the link in the description for you. So yeah, it's not just
What's this one?
yeah.
We have Negan.
Oh, we got Negan, but hey, it's a nice,
Negan.
nice pop anyway, and it's horror.
This is the free pop.
Do you think it's horror though?
Is it? Oh yeah, 'cause it's horror.
Zombies and stuff, isn't it?
Got Negan. This is the old Negan, not the new one. You can tell with his bat, basically.
Yeah, because the new bat is about little tiny, isn't
Tiny,
it?
tiny bat.
Where is he? Oh yeah, there's the old one. There's the new one. So yeah, we've got this one, but hey, we've got 330 something pops, so we're going to get the same pops. But yeah, nice pop. I like it. Put that there.
Do next pop. And this one again.
And Max again.
It's just a collection of Maxes.
Yeah. I think we got this in last month's box, didn't we?
We did.
Oh well. I think this was the free one, so.
Yeah.
And it's still horror, technically.
Yeah, because it's
Stranger Things,
It's
so
kinda close
can't really
to
win for a free pop, can you? Especially when you got the Grady Twins.
Yeah.
So yeah, absolutely brilliant. But yeah, the pops are spot on up to now. I'll put it there so you can see it.
Next item. An Oreo brownie by Mrs. Freshley's. Made with Oreo cookie pieces.
Oreo one, eh? That's new. That hasn't been in the boxes before, has it?
We usually get like little donuts.
Yeah, and what else did we get as well? It was like a cake pie thing, wasn't it?
Cake
Mud pie
donut.
or something, wasn't it?
Oh
Do you
yeah,
remember?
pie.
Oh, well, that looks nice. Anyway,
Excited. Oh. Cupcakes.
cupcake.
Hot with golden.
Is everything in America, do you think, made by Hershey's or
I think
something like
so.
that?
Yeah. Cupcake.
We love the fact that we get a chance to try all American chocolate as well. We have a right little feast, don't we?
Now we're related chewy apple intense flavour chews and you get 6. 25 cents.
Yeah, nice one. Apple. I bet there's a few of them. They usually put a few of them in, don't they? Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid.
Oh, I think, isn't this the what where you put
Drink
do you put what?
Oh,
Is it water and sugar or something, and then add that to it?
caffeine free.
Something bad like that.
Add sugar, mix 2 quarts.
So yeah, Kool-Aid. Do you want some?
Yeah, and it gives you directions on the back of the yellow.
Instructions.
It says directions. So.
Does it?
Directions.
Shut up, Dad. I know, yeah. Sorry.
Find me.
I'm just going to hide behind you.
Yeah.
You carry on, Jazz.
A rainbow coconut bar. Pure coconut for pure enjoyment. Oh, thick though. Look at all the sugar.
Sugar.
This is a cookie monster, the sugar monster.
I think we might be best off eating some of this on a non-school night. So I don't think you'll get to sleep, will you?
Last item.
Last item.
Mixed emotions jelly beans.
Look at that one.
He's so sad. Why is he so sad? Aww.
Yep, mixed emotions. Jelly beans. They're different as well. I think everything we got this time, apart from the baby Ruth, is we haven't never had before. Candy wise.
And these, but the different flavour.
Oh, we had them before.
Yeah, we've had them type of now letters.
Oh,
But we've
right.
had a grape one and a blueberry, I think.
So, yeah, that was Pop and Candy's box, like I say, £25.99 I think it was. Yep, big thumbs up for me. Big thumbs up for Jasmine by the looks of it. They say we got them 2 pops. One of them was a free one. I think it was this one. And of course, we got the Grady twins. I mean, I don't even have to say anything else about that. That's a £20 pop alone. And probably more actually. But yeah, £20 pop. So you're going to pay 25 for the thing. And we also got the energy drink and the fluff.
That was my favourite item.
So, yeah.
Fluff is my favourite item.
Is it? Man's Grady twins. I wonder if I've got a double pack pop protector.
Probably.
Anyway.
Joe's!
So let us know in the comments what you thought about this box. I think it's a big thumbs up. Couldn't ask for more really. But let me know in the comments what you thought. And don't forget, smash that thumbs up button for us. The subscribe button for us. Really help us out. And don't forget the little notification bell so you know when we next do our videos and upload them. And we appreciate watching all the time as usual. And we'll catch you on the next one. See you later. Bye.
Bye!